Welcome, fellow coders, to our guide on how to improve your coding skills. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your expertise, these tips will help you become a better programmer. Tip 1. Practice regularly. Like any skill, coding requires consistent practice to improve. Set aside time each day to work on coding projects, solve coding challenges, or contribute to open source projects. Tip 2. Break down complex problems. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This will help you tackle each component individually and make the problem easier to solve. Tip 3. Learn from others. Take advantage of online resources, such as tutorials, forums, and coding communities, to learn from others' experiences and perspectives. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek feedback. Tip 4. Experiment with different languages and frameworks. While it's essential to master a few languages, exploring new languages and frameworks can broaden your understanding of programming concepts and make you a more versatile coder. Tip 5. Reflect on your code. Take the time to review and reflect on your code after completing a project. Identify areas for improvement, refactor your code, and learn from any mistakes you've made. Tip 6. Stay up to date with industry trends. The field of technology is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends, tools, and best practices. Subscribe to tech blogs, follow influential developers on social media, and attend coding conferences. Tip 7. Teach what you've learned. Sharing your knowledge with others is a great way to reinforce your understanding of coding concepts and contribute to the coding community. Consider mentoring a junior developer, writing blog posts, or giving presentations at local meetups. By following these tips and staying dedicated to your craft, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient coder. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and mastery takes time. Keep coding, keep learning, and never give up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials.